Hey everybody, this is Angie from Mystic Mountain Homestead, and I got little man with me this morning. This is what we woke up to. So, he has never had like a really big heavy snow his whole life. I think it was like one time, and so he doesn't remember it very well. So today we're going to have a very fun, very instructional video on how to make a snowman. So, first off, I had to explain this to him because he had never done it. You're going to pick up some snow and you're going to ball it together, pack it in tight. Pack it in tight.
Like a snowball?
Like a snowball, just like a snowball. Pack it tight. Okay, now put it down on the ground and add more around it. Okay, add more around it. Yep, add more around it. Okay, you got it? Okay, pack it tight. Now when you get it into a bigger snowball, you're going to start. It got stuck. Okay.
I got it.
Okay, now start rolling it around and it'll grow. Roll it around. Roll it around. See, it's getting bigger and bigger? Yeah. Okay, keep rolling. 3 body parts. We've got a bottom and a top and then a middle. So we've got to roll and roll. You're doing great. And this is really good exercise, by the way. It is freezing out here. I didn't think the snow would come because we haven't had snow. Not a lot like this. We haven't had snow in a while, I don't think. And they said blizzard, and I'm like, oh yeah, right. Guess what?
Blizzard.
It's pretty deep.
I like this.
You like this? This is fun, huh? I'll show you how to do a snow angel too. Do you remember how to do that?
I remember how.
You remember that?
Let me demonstrate.
Good. Let's see. Do a snow angel. Right here. Okay, stand up. Let's see. Hi. Oh, that's a good angel. I don't know if that's showing up on video or not, but that's awesome. All right, keep rolling. So look at all the hard work I did. I'm just joking. I really didn't do this hard work. This is yes, little man and dad did this while mom was making a comfort food lunch of noodles and chicken. So we went in and we ate that and they finished it up. However, they had grass all sticking out of it. So of course, my sister used to make perfect snowmen, so I had to show them how to do it. Lightly take some of the snow off the top, pat it around, so that all the grass is covered, and then you have a white snowman instead of a grassy snowman. And we're going to go ahead and finish him off. Little man, give him some arms. So because we're out here on the homestead, a lot of people in town will make beautiful snowmen with all kinds of stuff, but we're taking what we got and we're making it work. Sticks for arms. Okay, what do you got for a nose? The traditional carrot nose. Give him some, give him some eyes. Go get your eyes. I'll help with the nose.
No, I got it.
Go get your eyes. Oh, there you go. That's good, that's good. All right. Give him some eyes and give him a hat. Because the snowmen have to stay warm.
I'm going to give him a button.
Give him a button. Well, scoot over to the side while you're doing it so people can see.
So far he has one eye, one button.
What are you using for your eyes?
Cool.
Coal? Coal? Did you get this coal in your stocking?
I asked Santa for some coal so I can keep it warm in the winter.
Really? Are you sure you didn't get the coal because you've been naughty?
Yeah, because I asked. That's a little bit.
Okay. So, we are in Arkansas. There are coal mines here, and that is real coal. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make snow ice cream next. Okay, so we are going to make snow ice cream, and it's really simple, and your kids will love to help you, and they will love to eat it. You have 1 cup of milk. Any kind will do. I have seen recipes with evaporated milk or the condensed sweetened milk, so you can use that if you prefer, but we've just got regular cow milk. You have 1/3 of a cup sugar. You're going to add that in.
Okay. Like that?
Uh-huh. Get it all out of there because we like it sweet, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ice cream is the best.
We use pure cane sugar. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And just a pinch of salt. We use the Himalayan salt, but you don't have to. And then you're going to whisk this together. Whisk together for me there, buddy.
Smells good.
Does it smell good? Well, it's going to taste good.
I hope so.
8 cups of snow. And then what you're going to do, oh, now I've got a cold lap. I got some of that off in my, stir it well. You didn't stir it completely. Stir it well to dissolve the sugar. And you're going to take this big spoon right here, buddy. And you're going to pour it over the snow. Stir it all in. Stir it all in. Pour it over the snow and mix well. Be careful. We don't want any.
This one's hard.
Okay, let Mom do it.
Like it's all like ice.
Yes, it is ice. It's snow, silly. You want to mix it all well so that it's all has sugar, all has vanilla. Stir it well. You have to be kind of quick because the snow will start melting because of the milk. So you have to stir quickly.
Are we doing it with the spoon then?
Because I'm going to dip it then. Does that sound good? You want to have it dipped?
What does that mean?
To dip it out into a bowl? Yeah, you know, silly.
Okay, I thought you meant like.
Okay, here we go. We're getting it all in there. Then we're going to put some in a bowl for you.
Looks good.
Yes, it does. It smells good too, doesn't it? Let Mom move it out of the way. Because we're going to give Dad some here in just a minute. And then you can add sprinkles on top.
Yay.
Okay.
The white ones are hard to see.
The white ones are hard to see, but they're pretty. You can use any kind of sprinkles. I just got these because they were snowflake sprinkles. I thought that would be fun. Okay.
Why do we use? Oh, we have.
And now then, taste. Is it great? All right.
What cold?
We'll be right back and we'll show you how to make a fun snow craft. Okay, so when we were making the snow ice cream, I forgot to tell you some very important things. 1, never use yellow snow. You heard me. Don't use the yellow snow. Only use the fresh, unwalked on white snow on the top. So be careful getting off the top layer. Don't get dirt. And again, no yellow snow because that means somebody or some things have pee-peed there. So no yellow snow. If you're concerned about toxins with pollution in the air, then you can always use the same recipe with the shaved ice. But I think that we're okay out here in the mountains for now. So we're going to show you how to make snowflakes. And there's 2 different ways. So depending on what you have in your house, you need a pair of scissors. If you have those bleached coffee filters that you're no longer using for your coffee, you can use them. Or you can use just regular white paper. So the first way I'm going to show you is with white paper. You fold it in a triangle. And then you have to cut off the edge. So you can either cut it with scissors or you can do it the old-fashioned way where you, it's kind of gross, but it works if you don't have scissors. Lick it and tear off the extra. Because you want this to be a triangle. So, then you're going to fold again into another triangle. And then fold again to another triangle. Now, at this point, you can take it and you can cut any way you want. When I was little, they taught me to just cut triangles into it. But I've learned as I've gotten older that you can cut any way you want. And the more cuts you make, the more decorations it will be. So you can cut, and then you can fold and cut again. You can give the kids scissors so that they don't get hurt and then they can participate in the fun. We like to make these during the winter and put them on the windows as decoration. And even if it doesn't snow, this is a way to bring the wintry feel into the home. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. Big snowflakes. So if you don't have regular typing paper at home, or you don't want to use it all up, and you're not using the bleached coffee filters in your home, you can fold it and do it the same way. You're going to fold it and fold it. And remember, we're looking for a triangle. So even though this is a circle, it's not quite a triangle. And then you can cut in all the different patterns that you want to do. Lean over the table, please. There's no wrong way to do this, and let the children's imagination or your imagination just do whatever you would like to do. So
can't get this one, Mom. I need help.
Okay, it doesn't have to be all the way off. You can always use your fingers and just kind of pull it off if you're having problems.
Okay.
And you know what's really cool about the coffee filters is that it's already kind of funny edged there. And so if you go like that, there you go. Make some more cuts on this side.
Okay.
You want to use these scissors?
Yes, they're much more better.
Okay, be careful. Lean over the table, please. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Oh, this is nice. Look there. That's a nice snowflake too. So, you can do these. You can dangle them from string. You can hang them on your window. And, you know, no matter what you do, whichever cuts you make, they'll always be different, just like real snowflakes. So, enjoy the winter and enjoy your family. Stay warm and take what you got and make it work. Until then, like, subscribe, and follow. Thank you very much. Y'all have a great day. We appreciate you.